Have you ever watched this drama? The title of this drama is 참교육. This is Korean version. But if you put this word into a translator, it says true education. Sounds wholesome, right? A nice drama about teachers and students. It's not. Right now, this is the #1 show in Korea, global Netflix. And to understand why a revenge fantasy is what an entire country wants to watch, you have to understand a word your dictionary will lie to you about. Stay with me. By the end, you won't just watch this show. You will understand the wound it's healing. So, here's the setup. No major spoilers. It's brand new on Netflix, so I will keep it safe. Korea invents a fictional government agency called the 교권보호구, the Bureau for the Protection of Teaching Authority. And their job? When a student, a parent, or even a teacher crosses the line, this bureau gives it right back to them. Exactly in kind. And Korean audiences are loving it. There's a word for that feeling, and it's our first lesson. Let's go back to the title, 참교육. 참 means true or real. 교육 means education, literally true education. But on the Korean internet, 참교육 doesn't mean teaching someone math. It means putting someone in their place, delivering them the harsh lesson they deserve. Poetic justice. When a rude person finally gets what's coming to them. Koreans say, 와, 이거 진짜 참교육이네. Wow, this is total 참교육. So, the title is a double meaning. It's a show about education and about teaching someone a lesson they won't forget. That gap, dictionary meaning versus how Koreans actually use it. That's the first thing that makes you sound like a native. But here's the part that matters. Why does this fantasy hit so hard? In Korea, there's an old saying, 선생님의 그림자도 밟지 마세요. You shouldn't even step on your teacher's shadow. Teachers were scared, confusion, respect, generations deep. But in recent years, that respect has been collapsing. Teachers face 악성 민원, vicious, relentless complaints from parents. They are harassed, threatened, blamed for everything. Koreans even have a phrase for this collapse. 교권이 무너졌다. Teaching authority has crumbled. So when this drama lets a teacher fight back, something real teachers can almost never do. It's not just entertainment, it's a country exhaling. And the show says the quiet part out loud, one line that everyone's quoting. 어른이 애들을 무서워하면요, 세상은 망하는 겁니다. If grown-ups are afraid of kids, the world falls apart. That's the whole show in one sentence. It's not about hating children, it's about a society where the adults who are supposed to guide the next generation have become afraid of them. And what that fear costs everyone. Now, Koreans themselves are debating this. Some call it cathartic, others worry it glorifies revenge. That argument is the conversation Korea is having right now. So if you talk about this show with a Korean friend, you're not making small talk. You are touching a real nerve. Okay, 5 expressions from the show you can actually use. Repeat after me. 사이다. 사이다 literally means like cider, the fizzy drink. It means a rush of satisfaction, that sweet relief when something frustrating finally gets resolved. 그 장면 진짜 사이다였어. That scene was so satisfying. 고구마. 고구마 literally means like sweet potato. Ever eaten one too fast and felt your chest get tight and dry? That's the feeling. It means frustrating. stifling, stuck, the opposite of 사이다. 이 드라마 보기 전까지 현실은 완전 고구마였어. Before this show, real life felt totally suffocating. 선을 넘다. To cross the line, to go too far. 그건 선을 넘었지. Yeah, they crossed the line. 갑질 is like abuse of power by someone in a superior position. A boss, a customer, a parent throwing their weight around. 손님이라고 갑질하지 마세요. Don't abuse your power just because you're the customer. 진상. 진상, an obnoxious person who makes a scene. The nightmare customer, the impossible parent. 저 학부모는 완전 진상이야. That parent is a total nightmare. Drop this into a conversation and watch a Korean's face light up. So next time you press play on 참교육, you're not just watching people get what they deserve. You are watching a country wrestle with the real painful question. What happens when the adults are afraid? That's the difference between watching Korea and understanding it. And that's what we do here. If you want the full PDF of today's expressions, plus shadowing practice with these exact drama lines and a whole community of friends learning Korean with you, come join us in our Discord. The link's right below. I will see you inside. 안녕!